In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your web browser and going to Figma's website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the interface loads smoothly. When the site appears, look for the Log In option and click it. If you already have an account, this is the same place you return to for access. If you use Google to sign in, choose the Continue with Google button. This will take you through the familiar Google sign-in flow. If you have multiple Google accounts, pause for a moment and pick the one associated with your Figma workspace so your files and permissions are correct. Once you're signed in, you'll be placed in your Figma workspace. On the left side of the screen, there's a navigation panel. Find and click All Projects. This view shows the projects you have access to, your team's work, personal projects, and any shared folders. If your workspace is large, the All Projects area can be a convenient way to see everything organized in one place. In the top right corner of that panel, you'll see a project button with a plus sign. Click that plus sign to start creating a new project. The interface will present options for the kind of project you want to create. You'll be able to select from choices like Starter or Professional. Starter is typically designed for individuals or very small teams and includes the essential features to begin designing and collaborating. Professional unlocks more advanced collaboration and management features intended for larger teams or more complex workflows. Choose the option that matches your needs and budget. After you make your selection, Figma will create the new project and add it to your All Projects view. The new project will appear in the list and you can open it to start adding files, components, and collaborators as needed. If you don't see the project immediately, refresh the page or check your workspace filters to make sure nothing is hiding it. If you encounter any difficulties, double check that you're signed into the correct account and that your team permissions allow you to create projects. That's all there is to it. A quick, straightforward process to get a new Figma project up and running. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like if this helped.